As you can see, the leak in the keel is continuing. This is day 4, amazingly, of it dribbling out. So far I've collected over 200 litres. I don't actually know how much fuel is in the keel. One of the issues I had with the tank when I bought the boat was that there was no way to inspect the fuel tank or to figure out how much was actually in the tank. So just waiting to see how much finally comes out. The total capacity is 400 litres, so we may be, I suspect, near the end of it, but you never know, there might be a full 400 litres. I'd like to thank everybody on the Facebook groups who have messaged and commented with all sorts of suggestions of how to fix this and their own experiences. I'm grateful for people sharing. First thing to do, I think, when the final layout has all drained out, is to remove the cabin sole, the large plate on top of the tank, and have a really good look inside and just see what are we dealing with. Anyway, my thanks again to everybody, and I'll keep you updated on what happens next.